I'm Tina. Welcome to Poplar Pulmonary Wellness. We have free chat and chew events where you can come and have a nice small group conversation online with healthcare professionals to help you live your best lung life with a chronic lung condition. They're free and they're open to everyone. Are you looking to find your way to one of our chat and chew events? Let me show you how. You may have found your way there through our poplarpulmonary.com website. On the website, you can click into events, and this will show you about our chat and chew events. We have one coming up in December 8th at 2 p.m. To view more information, you can click into the event and you can learn more about Laura, a health coach and a respiratory therapist who will be hosting this event. At the bottom here, we have a link to access our Poplar Community, and that's where we host our chat and chew events. I'll click into this now, and it will take me to sign up for the Poplar Community. If you haven't signed up for the Poplar Community before, it's free, and you can click on this Create Account button. It will ask you for your name, email, and a password. Be sure to open the little eye here so that you can see what you're typing in so we don't have any mistypes of the password. If you're already a member, just click on the sign in and you can type your email address. I'll be Amelia Earhart today. And once you're inside, it will take you straight to the chat and chew event that you were looking at. So this is the event with Laura. It is a Zoom event. And here is where I can RSVP. I can say I'm going, maybe, or not going. I'm going to click on going. On the day of the event, I'll come right back here and I'll click on where it says Zoom meeting to get into the event. You can also find the chat and chew events in the navigation bar on the left side of the screen here. And there's other areas you can explore within the community as well. And here's where it's chat and chew events, and that will take you right here to the list of chat and chews. You can click into one of them anytime you like and sign up or access the meeting. Maybe you'll find our website on the day of. If you're not sure where to go, you can click back in here from our website and it'll take you right to the chat and chew event and just click on Zoom meeting. We hope that you do find your way to our chat and chew events, and we hope to see you there. Thanks for joining.